Thank you everyone.
Once again, welcome to our memory ecstasy.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving to our next performance, we have a special treat for you in our store.
Towards, can you be drinking water for one day?
No big deal. I can't stay for half a day also.
What about the rain, fire, space, earth? Can we live without them?
Hey Vinti, they are very essential elements of our nature. How can we be without them?
Yes, you are right. To tell the importance of fire elements, now take us to the another captivating state.
This performance will take us on a journey through wonders of nature and the most important elements that shape our world.
Fire elements thing, we welcome Vaishnavi sister,
Guru Charan brother,
Gunit brother,
Danvin brother,
Divansh brother,
Chaitri sister,
Yashika sister,
Pradakshita sister,
Hansika sister,
Nikhil brother,
Shil brother. Put your hands together and welcome them.
आकाशाय विद्महे नभो देवाय धीमहि तन्नो गगनः प्रचोदयात् ॐ लालीलाय विद्महे वैश्वानराय धीमहि तन्नो अग्निः प्रचोदयात् ॐ विद्यात्मनाय विद्महे महिस्वरूपाय धीमहि तन्नो वायुः प्रचोदयात् जीवदेवाय विद्महे कन्दर्पकलाय धीमहि तन्नो जलः प्रचोदयात् ॐ पृथिवीदेव्यै च विद्महे वसुन्धरायै धीमहि तन्नो पृथिवी प्रचोदयात्
क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है, क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है। कैसी है ये अनहोनी हर आँख हुई रंग, छोड़ गया जो तू कैसे जिएंगे हम। तू ही किनारा, तू ही सहारा, तू जग सारा, तू ही हमारा सूरज, तू ही तारा। जय जयकारा, जय जयकारा, स्वामी देना साथ हमारा। जय जयकारा, जय जयकारा, स्वामी देना साथ हमारा।
on my own strength, as if I'm a magical being, along with Sun, Moon, Mars, Jupiter, and all the planets. I have taken the entire solar system in my control. I have decoration on my chest. In everything, I'm standing because of my magical attraction. No one can touch me. Ha ha ha. Akash, my brother, why are you so proud? You don't exist. Quiet, Agni, quiet. Give your speech a break. You're just a little spark. 2 words, but you did not see my anger. If anyone harasses me, I will burn everyone to death. Don't stop me from getting angry, Akash. Otherwise, my lashes may raise towards you and cause you pain. You provide light along with fire and also contribute in cooking food. But in front of my sun and moon, your light is not better than a firefly. Got it? If I wish, I can turn entire world into heaps of ashes. Do you want to see?
Hey fire, you can't do anything without me. Can you appear without me? Can you even walk a step without me?
Agni, do you have any answer to Vayu?
Akash, you're part of me. It's better to be warm, not fiery. I say this because I'm around you. That's why you're called the Akash. Otherwise, you wouldn't exist.
Though I exist.
Dear Akash, I am the best for your reflection, and I become the blue ocean and thunders. Not only this, help plants, trees, lakes, rivers to survive. Each drop of mine is immortal. If I don't exist, there will be a disaster.
Like air, you also speak the language of ego?
This is not ego, Agni. It is my power. Whenever you lose your temper in anger, I can keep you calm. Don't forget this.
You exist because of your friend, Jal brother.
Okay, I will keep you within me because of friendship.
No, Jal brother. I'm a part of your creation. Life is not just air.
What would you have been? Then why would you help in expanding Agni?
Would this have been possible without me? You elements have no particular shape without me. If I, the earth, didn't exist, who will provide you protection and place to live? Wind, you cannot grow plants and trees without me. I have abundant of treasure both above and beneath the surface. Don't dare to show your pride to me, Agni.
I turn spark into fire.
I am the one who quenches Agni.
I, the mighty Akash, wrap the clock around my fiery blaze. Would this have been possible if I had not been there? I am infinite. I am the greatest. No, I have power to reduce everyone to ashes.
The power to take this very powerful lies within me.
If I quietly sat down, imagine what would happen.
You're all consumed by ego. You're all proud of your own abilities. Is it appropriate to be proud here? Who are you? I am the soul, immovable, immortal soul. Immortal soul? Yes. Nainam chindanti sastrani, nainam dahati pavakaha, na chainam kledayantyapo, na soshati marutaha. You mean weapons cannot destroy the soul? Yes. Fire cannot burn.
Water cannot drown.
Air cannot dry.
Now you understand? But you're just a body. No, I'm not a body. I'm the soul that resides in all of you. You don't have individual souls. This human body is made up of the 5 elements. These 5 elements, you are them. Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Vayu, Akash.